Here comes a baby. Here comes a baby. I'm helping a baby out. Okay. Gotta get the face so it can breathe. Here, Ollie, come on. Lick it. Clean it. Clean it. Come on. Break it. Break it up. There we go. Okay. Gotta get the air sac open. There we go. It's still in there and it needs to breathe. Come on. Right here, Ollie. There. Little baby. Oh, God. Oh, it's so cute. Oh. Oh. Olive, you're such a good mommy. I love you. Okay, that's enough. Okay, that's enough, Ollie. That's okay. You got it. Just chew it off right there, Ollie. Oh, jeez. There. Clean that baby. Clean that baby. Good girl. My baby girl. Right here, baby. Make that clean. And this one is, let me see, it's a boy. Yeah, this one looks like this one needs some help here. There you go. Here, baby. Here. Right there.